Alright, I'm finna show y'all the Rollinthrax preset. I said Rolling. The Rollinthrax preset. Then I'm gonna give you the ad libs. It's basically Kobe's ad libs, but I'm finna play this and then show y'all about the beat.
Wow, 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 wow. I just bent this bad bitch over, it's expensive, gas I'm smoking on, you can tell by the odor, yeah. I be giving the cold shoulder, fuck these niggas, I don't know when they hit me up, cause it's my L. I got different type of clothing, that's that drip you ain't affording, that's some shit that I ain't even wear yet. All about my business, get my dough up, if it hit, we on the share it, be had hella motion, yeah.
I'm finna show without the beat.
Wow, 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 I just bent this bad bitch over, it's expensive, gas I'm smoking on, you can tell by the odor, yeah. I be giving the cold shoulder, fuck these niggas, I don't know when they hit me up, cause it's my L. I got different type of clothing, that's that drip you ain't affording, that's some shit that I ain't even wear yet. All about my business, get my dough up, if it hit, we on the share it, been had hella motion, yeah.
I'm finna show y'all the preset right now. But yeah, that's basically it. Ken Carson video is after this one. Yeah, give me more people y'all want me to make, bro. I'm running out of videos. But yeah, that's basically it.